Okay, I think we'll make way. So thank you for joining today's webinar. My name is Daniel Palmer, Senior Technical Consultant here at EFL. I am very excited to go through the Snom DECT product lineup with you today. If you have any questions or queries throughout the webinar, please feel free to drop it in the chat box, and I will address it either whilst we're on topic or at the end of the webinar. Today's webinar should be a brief webinar, should take no longer than 30 minutes. We'll talk about Snom as a VoIP manufacturer, go through some of their USPs before diving into their full catalogue of DECT solutions. We'll be announcing our Snom NFR program as well as a giveaway at the end of the webinar. About Snom, founded in 1997 in Berlin. Snom is the producer of the first professional and enterprise VoIP telephones. Since then, Snom has developed some of the best and most feature-packed VoIP phones in the industry. Snom is known for its robust, high-quality and feature-rich business telephones. All of Snom's products are universally compatible with leading PBX platforms operating under the SIPS standard. With over 4 million endpoint installations globally, Snom is one of the most trusted VoIP manufacturers in the world. So in this section, we will discuss the reasons why our clients choose Snom, from their product quality, long warranty period, device security and support. There's so much to love about Snom. In addition to the next 3 slides, we would like to mention that any Snom products purchased via EFL will be eligible for a great sales and technical support from us. Since the beginning, Snom has been known for its high-quality engineering. Snom has the lowest RMA rates in the industry, attesting to the quality that they offer. As standard, all Snom equipment comes with a 3-year warranty, showing Snom's own belief in their product and its quality. As a long-standing distributor of Snom, we are very proud to confirm that the extremely rare occurrence of RMAs. We rarely process RMAs for Snom, and all clients have been extremely pleased with the product. With over 20 years of experience, Snom creates the best sound quality on the market. Snom hasn't stopped there. Snom's experts continually test and optimize all products in their own audio laboratory. Snom is certainly no one-hit wonder, thanks to its awareness about high quality. Every Snom phone sounds as it should. Snom puts security at the forefront of their agenda and have done everything possible to secure the endpoint. This includes individual SHA-2 certificates that are pre-installed, signaling encryption, SRTP audio encryption, HTTPS only web server, and strong password enforcement, just to name a few. Once becoming a Snom official reseller, you will receive a rebate on every Snom phone you sell, based on the partner level that you're in. Furthermore, partners can choose a free demonstration device from a wide selection of Snom phones. Snom's partner program consists of 3 tiers, started with registered partners. Rebates on products purchased will start from silver and increase to the gold partner status. You can see the full benefits of each partner tier on the screen. Snom's history in the industry aside, they currently offer one of the most comprehensive and high-quality DECT solutions in the industry. Their base station is geared to support deployments from a few handsets all the way up to 16,000 handsets within one site. On their handset end, they offer a wide range to suit every need, from office use to medical-grade handsets. The new entry-level handset, the Snom M70, which is targeted at office use, is still ruggedized, but can take some abuse, especially when compared to the other vendors in the industry. So let's delve into Snom's base station range, which consists of 4 base station models and a repeater. Snom's range starts with the M200 single-cell base station, suitable for startups and small offices, and moves all the way up to the M900 and M900 Outdoor, which are jam-packed with industry-leading features. There's a Snom DECT solution for most, if not all, needs. And in this webinar, we're not going to cover the Snom M7 base station, as this is now end of sale and has been replaced by the superior M900. So the M200 is the entry point of the Snom's DECT solution. The M200 base station is the perfect balance of economical solution and high performance. The M200 offers up to 6 SIP accounts and 4 simultaneous calls, a local directory of 200 contacts, and a range of up to 50 meters, plus various phone functions such as direct access to the company directory and excellent HD audio quality. Snom is notorious for its high build quality, and this is still the case with the M200 base station. One thing to note, the M200 base station can only be used with Snom's M15 handset. The M300 is uniquely powerful and expansive single-cell solution, offering up to 20 DECT handsets. Unlike the M200, the M300 works with a wide range of DECT handsets, specifically all of the new handsets released by Snom. The M300 supports the M25, the M65, the M70, M80, M85, and the M90. The M300 boasts a range of up to 300 meters outdoors and approximately 50 meters indoors, which can be extended by adding up to 3 repeaters. The M300 can handle up to 5 simultaneous calls and over-the-air updates. The M300 is not available as a standalone base station and is available with the M25 as a bundle called the M325. The M900 is the flagship Snom base station. The M900 base station provides a solid foundation for any installation size. It can be scaled up to 4,000 base stations and up to 16,000 handsets, as well as up to 100 repeaters. The M900 offers a quality DECT offers all of the features a quality DECT base station should offer, such as seamless handover and roaming, DECT or LAN synchronization and wideband audio. The M900 offers up to 8 narrowband calls or up to 4 wideband calls per base station. Or in a multi-cell setup, it's up to 10 narrowband or 5 wideband calls per base station. With integrated TLS encryption, the M900 base station also sets an absolute standard in terms of encryption. The M900 boasts up to 50 meters of range indoors, and unlike competitors, the Snom M900 doesn't require a DECT manager to operate. We believe that Snom M900 is one of the best solutions within the industry. So the M900 Outdoor is the perfect solution for using the M900 outdoors or within extreme environments. The M900 Outdoor base station, in a nutshell, uses the same bones as the indoor M900, but with a housing that's specially adapted and multi-tested to ensure usability outdoors or within industrial areas with a risk of dust or water damage to the unit. The outdoor unit also boasts an anti-UV protection and is visible in the image, giving it the distinctive orange color. Marrying this protection to a specially designed housing, the outdoor unit has a broad temperature range between -20 and +60 degrees Celsius. The outdoor unit's housing is UV impact and water protected to IP55 certification. Impact strength to IK08 rating, and flammability and water exposure tested to UL746C ratings. So then we move on to the Snom M5 repeater. This is a great tool to extend the range of base stations within your DECT solution. The M5 repeater bridges the gaps between base stations, increasing the free movement in a single seamless network, allowing calls to continue to be uninterrupted. The M5 doesn't require an Ethernet connection and boasts a plug-and-play installation method. It can handle up to 5 concurrent calls on narrowband and 2 calls on a wideband. We would like to confirm that, again, the M5 repeater is compatible with the M300, M700, which is now end of sale, and the M900. So now we move on to the handsets. Snom offers a comprehensive set of handsets to complement their base station range. In total, Snom offers 7 handsets suitable for different applications and budgets. Each handset boasts a large number of standard telephony features and technical data. We'll send a small zip file in the chat at the end of this section, which includes all of the data sheets for the 7 handset models discussed, so that you can go through all of the features in your own time. We'll start with Snom's established range of the products, which consists of 4 handset models, and then we will move on to their newer range of phones, which boasts unique designs and features. So the M15 handset is the entry level of Snom's DECT handset solution. The handset solution is supported by the M200 base station only, and as we explained earlier, can be scaled up to 6 handsets. Because of the limited scalability and call handling, this handset is suitable for home offices. Even though the M15 is an entry-level handset, it is still packed with great features. This handset has up to 7 days standby life and up to 7 hours talk time. Voicemail LED alert, illuminated keypad, and a 2.5mm headphone jack, speakerphone, and has a 50-meter indoor range. Not only that, it has over-the-air updates and all of the great telephony features expected from a high-quality handset. The M15 is priced very competitively, and when considering its features, it's a very competitive offering for a small home office or a small single-cell deployment. The M25 that belongs to Snom's established range of handsets is a high-functioning device with an excellent price-to-performance ratio. This is Snom's entry-level handset graded for office use. The M25 uses intuitive user interface, which is well known for its speed and great user experience. The M25 has a 1.44-inch color display. It is compatible with hearing aids, which is known as HAC. Boasts up to 7 hours call time and 7 days of standby time. It includes features like both blind and attentive transfer, call holding, coverage warning, and everything else expected from a feature-packed office phone. Snom also offers over-the-air updates to the handsets, making this a truly future-proof solution, which will in turn mean a lower operational cost for the end user over a longer period of time. The M25 is the entry point for the M900 base station and supplied as a bundle with the M325 and M300 base stations. The M65, part of Snom's established range of handsets still, combines business communication functionalities and features of the mobile carrier world. This handset is jam-packed with features, starting with its large 2-inch color screen that is coupled to an intuitive, fast, and easy-to-use interface. It has a diverse antenna, hearing aid compatibility again, and wideband audio on the handset. The Snom M65 is ideal for customers that need a comprehensive functionality from their phone system and also need the coverage across several floors throughout large buildings. This handset boasts an integrated tricolor LED that informs the user of missed calls, voicemail messages, and low battery status. The lithium-ion battery has a standby time of up to 250 hours and up to 17 hours of talk time for heavy usage between charging, and a charge time of 8 hours from 0 to 100%. The last of the established range of Snom DECT handsets is the Snom M85. This is the most robust of the established range. In layman's terms, it is the ruggedized product in this lineup. This is a shockproof handset boasting an IP65 rating. It is worthy to note that the M65 handset is M85 handset is protected from water jets, but it's not submersible. For the most part, the M85 offers the same great features as the M65 in terms of display and user interface, but adds features that are well suited to a hard hat or industrial areas. These features include an alarm function where the user can receive alarms. It sends different alarms in the event of emergency. The alarms can be triggered manually or automatically. It has a dead man's feature where the phone uses an integrated position sensor to send an emergency message if the handset registers an unusual position, or the operator is in an extended period of motionless when laid down. It has a pull cord alarm where the phone uses a wrist loop in addition to sensors to send an automatic alarm or an emergency call if it's ripped from the handset. A push button alarm, which is freely programmable. Depending on how it's programmed, it may send a message or place an automatic emergency call or to a desired number. Please note that messages are sent and received via a compatible alarm server. This phone also has Bluetooth connectivity, and it enables the user to connect Bluetooth headsets to the handset, as well as using a 3.5mm headset jack. So now we go on to Snom's newest range of DECT handsets. There are 3 phones that go above and beyond what the competition are offering at the moment. The Snom M70 DECT handset is the perfect office all-rounder for workplace mobility. The handset is not only extremely light and compact at 120 grams, including the battery and belt clip, but it's also exceptionally robust thanks to its high standard of manufacturing quality and protective outer cover. The handset is protected to MIL standard 810G in the industry, and could withstand falls up to 2 meters. The M70 is the perfect companion in the office, in a warehouse, or an outdoor premises. The design on the M70 is pleasantly unique and intuitive. On the hardware side, the phone feels very comfortable and has high quality, and it has a high quality feel. The function buttons are where the user expects them, eliminating confusion and frustration for the end user. The phone also has 3 side buttons for volume up, down, and mute, making it super easy to control the volume during a phone call. On the software side, Snom has done an incredible job with this line of handsets. The phones are very fast to respond to commands with virtually no loading time in between screens and menus. The very fast boot time and cell phone-like functionality, Snom's layout of items and clutter-free screens will definitely remove user frustrations. The M70 comes standard with wideband audio, DECT band auto sensing, authentication and encryption of the base and handset. It also has a local directory of 250 contacts, a central directory, CLIR, and 3-way conferencing, as well as a do not disturb function. Moreover, the M70 boasts great battery life with up to 17 hours of talk time and approximately 10 days of standby. Other functions include Bluetooth LE for for the handsets, for the positioning of it as well, so they can be used with Snom's beacon, HAC compatibility, an alarm key, 3.5mm headphone jack, and an impressive high-resolution display with 200 ppi, offering a better visual experience than the competition. The headset is also operational within a large temperature range of -10 Celsius up to 55 degrees Celsius. As well as the 50-meter range indoors and a 300-meter range outdoors, we really encourage you to look at the M70 personally. Its superior build quality and the screen resolution must be experienced firsthand to be appreciated. The Snom M80 DECT handset is a ruggedized version of the M70 handset. It is almost identical to the M70, but boasts a more protective material around its case, as well as an IP65 rating against water and dust. The phone is still very light at 138 grams without compromising on the quality. The handset offers Bluetooth beacon for live tracking as well. It's worth noting that the M70 and M80 offer best-in-class HD voice. We might sound like a broken record, however, the M70 and M80 must be tested to be appreciated. We believe that these words don't do it justice on such fantastic devices. So the last of the range is the M90 handset. This one is specifically designed for use within hospitals, care homes, or wherever cleanliness and hygiene plays an important role. To guarantee this, the M90 has a special antibacterial housing that has been tested according to JIS Z2801. This makes the device not only easy to clean, but it also provides no breeding ground for bacteria and viruses. In addition to the special coating, the phone is also IP65 certified and protected, making it splash and dust resistant, as well as being protected from falls from up to 2 meters. This light and easy to use device becomes the ideal companion in a busy medical environment. With up to 12 hours of talk time, the Snom M90 can be used throughout the day without needing a charge. The M90's innovation doesn't end there. It boasts a high quality, high resolution display, 200 hours of standby time, a vibration alert, and integrated alarm button, and again, as well as HAC compatibility. The overall design and technology of the M900 handset is based on the M70 and M80, so the special antibacterial coating does not mean compromising on sound quality, reliability, and features. Moving on from the handsets, we are now going to explore Snom's range of DECT headsets. Snom offers 3 DECT headsets, the A150, the A170, and the A190. The headsets are specifically tested for use with Snom's telephones. They're designed to be comfortable to wear, as well as having the great sound quality found in their handsets. The A150 headset is one of the smallest and lightest headsets in its class. What's amazing about the A150 that even though it's small and light, it still packs a great punch. The A150 boasts superior wideband sound, passive noise cancelling microphone, and a 15-meter range. It also incorporates buttons for volume, mute, and call control. The A150 is an over-the-ear headset and is compatible with the Snom D3 and D7 series phones with a USB port and Snom C520 WIMI conference device. The next headset is the A170. This is the newest in the wireless headset accessory for Snom. Not only does it offer the highest quality, but also maximum mobility. The A170 has a wideband earpiece, and a microphone that features passive noise cancelling. 3 different ways of wearing the head. There is 3 different ways of wearing the headset, so comfort is guaranteed. You can wear these either directly on the ear or by using the head or neck band provided. Whatever your preference, the Snom A170 can easily be adapted to meet your individual needs. The Snom A170 hot plugs hot spare battery is in the base, meaning that if your headset runs out of battery, you're able to hot swap the headset battery whilst you're still on a call. It has a 25-meter range, dual device connectivity between phone and PC, meaning users can swap between PC and telephone quick and easily with a simple flick of a button. The A190 is a special DECT headset. This headset is designed to be used only with the M900 and M300 base stations. It cannot be connected directly to a desk phone or a workstation. However, the A190 can be used in 2 different modes. In paired mode, where it can be coupled to an existing DECT phone, meaning that you can dial a number and manage your call through the handset. Or, for example, in standalone mode, where you let the A190 operate directly as an extension number. The A190 supports wideband audio, handover and roaming in a multi-cell setup. It's HAC compliant and offers a range of up to 50 meters indoors and an outdoor range of up to 300 meters. In addition to its modern technology, the A190 is extremely comfortable to wear thanks to its high quality design and extremely lightweight body. This headset weighs just 45 grams, despite the integrated battery that allows up to 7 hours of talk time. So now we move on to our NFR program and our offers. We've worked with Snom to offer our clients for a limited time only an NFR program on Snom DECT solutions. The details of this program can be found in the next slide. So as you can see here, the offers here that we're offering are just over 50%. The program is available from now until the end of August 2022 and is limited to 1 per customer. Discount is based on MSRP and exact prices are available through your account manager. If you don't have an account with us, please call the sales team on 01189 166 945 and they'll be happy to help you. And now to the grand finale of our webinar. Thank you for attending, and I'm pleased to announce the winners of our giveaway. These winners have been chosen at random from the people that have attended today, and the winners are Mike at Hotel Technology Management, so congratulations there, and Ollie at DSM Systems. So we'll be in contact shortly to let you know, to ship out your products. And once again, thank you very much for attending. If there's any questions, please do put that into the chat box. And if not, then we'll end the webinar. Thank you. Okay, doesn't look like there's any questions, so we'll end it there. Thank you very much for today.